Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new around here, my name is Shelly Gonzalez. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and click the bell button to stay notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching and I hope you guys enjoy this new tutorial.
I know you want it, tell me you want it. I know you want it, tell me you want it. I think that I'm done tripping, I'm tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling you.
First, I'm going to go in with the color Daddy from the James Charles Morphe palette, and with a brush, blend it from the exterior of my eyelid towards the center. I'm going to place the color Social Blade from the James Charles Morphe palette next to the color Daddy in the center of my eyelid and blend it towards my inner corner.
When I call you a Uber, you gon' come right through. You could cry you a river. If you lie, I won't forgive you.
I will place the color B from the James Charles Morphe palette in my inner corner and blend it towards the middle with the color Social Blade.
I won't ever touch her, and don't you ever get it twisted. Yeah, I'ma cry me a river. Just get it out your system. You know how much I really want you, and you know how I never forget you. Way too much time spent with strippers, ain't mean to cut you.
I will place the colors Daddy and Skip from the James Charles Morphe palette on my lower lash line.
Don't want it back while she's squirting. Don't need surgery, you're perfect. Remember when bitches was curving? Can't no nigga get you Birkins. Every time you think I'm lurking, all my clothes you were burning. Oh, that's how you feel, that's your word, yeah. Come closer. All I ever needed was some closure.
Next, I will put a green liquid glitter on top of the color Daddy from the James Charles Morphe palette.
You told me that you need some closure, you said come over. I don't need to take no Uber, I drive her over. Tryna bribe me with a bag, wait, nigga, hold up. If you ever try to play me, nigga, use a hold up. Hold up, always got what I wanted, never ask nobody for nothing. I can take a trip to the islands alone, but if you want it, you gotta come with something new. I don't know what's wrong with you. So over your petty games, you're getting way too comfortable. Getting real comfortable, treating me like a regular. Don't bring out the worst in me when I bring out the best in y'all. Boy, I ain't average, don't make me turn savage. I need you to see that I'm no regular girl.
Come closer. All I ever needed was some closure. Come closer. All I ever needed was some closure.
Closure.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell button to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks. Bye.